welcome back to the vlog. It's me, Shona here. I got special guest Moila. It's that. So Moila here, and we are going to be doing a slime package. Not slime package. We're going to be making slime, and we're doing a slime package later on. So let's get started. So we're not doing a timer or nothing. You're going to need Mono Magic. So some Mono Magic. Hold on. Wait.
Why don't you just get a big
We're
piece?
both gonna have an equal amount, kind of, not a lot. Okay. So you're gonna need Mono Magic. We're using the white one, which it rips. So we're gonna fix that.
Mine stretches kind of.
I already made like 2 slimes, and her 2 slimes were fails, so she's gonna follow me this time. So here's the one that I just made, like before we started this video, like almost a minute ago. It's super soft. It has a little bit of chunks in it from the Mono Magic clay. And then I made this one a couple days ago. It's super soft. So yeah. So what you're gonna need is Mono Magic, Duracell hand wash, and it has to be this kind. It can't be anything else. And you're going to need contact solution.
That doesn't help.
It doesn't say it, so don't hate in the comments. I'm just kidding. I love you guys. Has no click. Okay. So mine oh my god, mine's stretching. So what, you're gonna take your Mono Magic clay. You're gonna flatten it. Oh my god, my feet are literally off the ground. Okay, so you want it nice and flat like this. It has to be like so smooth, okay? I have like, it's not nail polish, it's slime sticking.
Ooh, feel this part.
Feel this part. Mono Magic is like so soft. Oh my god. Okay, so you're gonna get it like this.
Just like that.
You need it as like a perfect circle. Okay, so I got mine. And now you're gonna add some Duracell hand wash. It has to be this kind. It can't be anyone else. Okay, we're gonna add a lot because this helps it make it stretch. And if you added too much, then we will fix that, and you could add contact solution.
Can I have some?
Yeah, I'll just go like this. Go wild, guys. Yeah, because I have a lot. Okay, so we both have, it's okay if we get it on the counters, it's fine. Well, because you're closer to the sink. Okay, mine's getting there. See, this is gonna, okay, so you're just gonna mix, okay, Mom? And just get all the soap, even on the counter. And like if there's so much, and then you're gonna wipe your hands, so then there could be less soap, and there'll be soap, so you're gonna grab it like this, and then put it in the slime, and there'll be less soap. And then like the soap's gonna like probably be all on your hands. Just gonna wanna get in there, boy. And then when you get all of it like that, you're going, yes, wash your hands like that. And then there'll be less soap, so like there'll still be soap in here. See? I'm stretching. So just do. No, it's fine. He'll be on YouTube anyway. See, mine's stretching. We'll see how yours stretches. Yeah, hers is already getting better. I think I need to add more. She's beating me, guys. She's the guest on my channel. She's beating me. I can't let that happen, bro. Hopefully I don't make a mistake this time. You're just gonna like wanna like click it when the soap's on there, like when you pour it.
Did that.
No, when like you first add the soap.
Oh.
So I have a lot of soap. Is your mom in
No. Wait, yeah.
She is? She's in
Colorado.
Colorado. She is?
No, she's still on the plane.
Uh,
What time is it?
it's like
2. She leaves.
yeah, it's been past 2. Cause the last time I looked, it was like 3:11. So her mom is in Colorado right now,
Visiting my dad at boot camp.
boot camp. So
Sorry we're
mine's-
not showing our heads right now because
Yeah. Slime pet peeve. We don't have no heads, guys. We're just talking out of our skin. That is so weird, guys. I'm right here. I have some soap.
it's butter slime.
Yeah, this is butter slime because you're making it out of mono magic. Mine's not sticky. Is yours sticky?
No. Look.
Hurt. Okay, add some. And then when you're done with that, you're gonna add some.
No.
You have to.
Add a little bit.
No, you have to add. You have to follow my lead. Oh wait, don't add it yet. Follow my lead. Let's mix it in right. So mine's getting better.
Oh wow, mine's
All
not sticky.
soap. Mine's not sticky that much.
Oh, I just popped bubbles.
I'm cheating.
Sorry. Really? Sorry, I'm cheating.
So my slime's getting good. My slime's getting good. And so, sorry if you can't hear the clicks. I'm gonna add some.
Hi.
We're just playing with our slimes.
I thought you guys are hiding under the bed.
You did?
Yeah.
I can fit under there.
That's what I thought you guys were.
I was scaring them. See that? I just made this one. Me and Moila were gonna make like slimes, and like the 2 times she like messed up, and like they're both. There's a baby. Yeah, he has another baby.
I got poop.
I'm gonna see how much they weigh.
How much?
Oh, we're still vlogging. Dad, you're on camera.
You're on camera.
I'm 64. Oh, wait.
It's a girl.
Yeah, it's a girl.
That's twins, nigga.
Huh?
Where's my speaker?
You're not being on
Sean, it
camera.
didn't show up because you weren't in the square.
Watch, it's gonna be the same thing. 64.0. 64.0, bruh. Yeah! Oh. Sorry if you saw my dad. He already has a girlfriend's dirty.
That is not right.
And I'll come for you.
It said 10.14.
Show me. I'm not. I just stay still. 101. Watch, do it again.
Right.
She says she's 1014. Look.
See, I
Alright,
Look.
14.
Look.
Stand up straight. Sit still.
See, you're moving. It says 30.
It's E. It's error. You gotta
Sorry, guys. We're
go.
just
Now get on.
chilling. Here's my slime.
Sit still.
This is.
Stand up.
So here's my first slime.
100.
Comment down below if you like number
One
1
pose.
slime.
Let me try.
Or if you like
Alright.
number 2 slimes. Or if you like number
44
3
pounds.
slime.
This is 44 pounds.
I'm 60.
Get out, bruh.
Me, Babs, you try.
Wait,
Ow.
we're gonna do
Get out, bruh.
We're
You
gonna
have to stay
do.
still.
I gotta drop a bomb.
Wait, drop a poop.
I'll tell you what.
Okay, so I'm gonna put my first slime in there. I mean my second.
You are a 35. Last is a
Then you start on
35.
your fourth.
35.8.
Holy. It's light.
That's not bad, bruh.
How much is Osmo?
28. What? You're 101, bruh. Comment down below how much you weigh. I love like my last one. My last one's better slime. She barely has the first one. Remember? Okay, so we're gonna be going. Okay, so I hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in a little bit. Bye.